Easy, bro.
150.
150? Are you joking?
Yo, what is up, gang? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So this is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and everything in between. And today we are here at the TKS event, the Kickstand event. They're doing a whole tour around Australia, and today they have stopped in Melbourne. And I gotta say, it's pretty exciting. I'm really excited about this actual event. And also, you know, I gotta say that it kind of had a bad start to the day with all the rain and everything, but now, seriously, everyone's like pouring in, and it's, oh my gosh, it's like, it's gonna be electric in there. So I can't actually wait to start the day. You know, I'm gonna try sell some sneakers as well, because I'm gonna do my hustle thing as well. Gotta make this money. Anyway, I'm gonna be asking a lot of people as well what they actually think about the events, about local events, international events, and you know, which ones are better, what's better about them, and all that kind of stuff. And so hopefully I can get you guys into the vlog. Anyway, let's get this video started. So what's up, guys? So the day has just basically just started. We laid out all of our sneakers that we're going to be selling. Yeah, everyone's here. It's looking really good. I'll show you guys.
So there's stateside down there. There's all these other people down there, and there's the main stage all the way at the back. And we've got the homies down here. This is a TKS table trying to sell all our stuff. If anyone's looking for deals, they're on this side. Don't worry about Nate's side. Don't worry about Nate's. Okay. Everyone look at this side and make me money, guys. But JD's selling some of these pop toys, all the cool stuff here as well.
So yeah, it's gonna be turning out to be a really cool day. Yeah.
What I love about local events is that they have a cozy feeling of community. It's always good to come and meet up with your rest of your crew with the same common interests.
So today I got a special friend to show you guys today. Introduce yourself.
My YouTube is just James Campbell. My name's James. Subscribe Instagram, just James Kickz. Subscribe to this guy as well. Legend.
And James actually got a pickup today. Show him what you got, James.
Oi, easy, bro.
150.
150? Are you joking?
Pretty good steal, man.
Yeah.
How much did I get mine? I think I got mine for 400 something, man. So I said $150, man. That's
pretty clean.
Yeah, man, that's a clean ad, man. It's gotta be the steal of the day, man, I reckon.
So there were a lot of steals and deals throughout the day, which is something I love.
Yo, so TKS have got their sample skateboard out.
That's dope. I don't even skate, and I think that looks dope.
Full label leather.
That's sick. That's cool.
One of the main reasons people come to the Kickstand events is for the sneakers. There is a wide variety to choose from, and not just that, there is also apparel, toys, and other cool things like art.
And I actually didn't know this, but they actually have like a little car display as well, as you can see behind me. That's pretty dope, right?
And that's another good thing about the Kickstand. They try to include other people's passions, such as their cars. Car lovers know how much they spend on their prized possessions, so showing them off at the Kickstand is a no-brainer. And to keep your energy levels up, you can always expect a good lineup of food stalls right outside the venue, where you can expect some great customer service. One unique feature the Melbourne event had was Trade Alley, where anyone attending the event could trade up for something else.
Yo, what's up, guys? So we are here at the Trading Alley. I'm here with my boys. Introduce yourselves, boys.
Hey, I'm Tristan. Hey, what's up? I'm Josh. I got my YouTube channel, Josh Salvador.
So go check them out, guys. So they are here at the Trading Alley, where you can trade your sneakers. It's pretty cool. What are you trading today, bro?
Hey, I'm trading some Yeezy V2s, creams.
How much?
I'd say starting 350. I could probably go low as 300 maybe. You're gonna have to go very down.
150.
150? Are you joking?
It's really interesting. Hope it sells, bro.
Yeah, thanks, man.
And one thing that keeps the attendees staying are the prizes.
There we go, first winner of today. Bro, there you go. You like the footy? 4366395. I like this one.
To win prizes, everyone's given their own raffle tickets upon entry, or you can increase your chances to win by buying another raffle ticket for $1 each. Or you can do what Brandon and Anna did and buy $50 worth and end up getting more than your money back in prizes.
Hey, oh, indeed. Nice.
And of course, we can't forget about the local talent.
There's a Jackery bad, so we be trippin'. Do we hit him? Maybe hit on, maybe dip. Face to face, make mistakes, so it's keep it present, so embrace the change. I just wanna lay around. Out of the mix, out of the middle, I'm living like this, wow. Quick fix, shot sticks, face twist, wait, lit, on tits, not a true beat.
One dance.
Let's go.
Anyways, enough of what I think. It's time to get the thoughts of everyone else.
Why do you like local sneaker events compared to international events like SneakerCon?
Yeah, for sure. Like events like this rather than SneakerCon, you get a much better range of people through, and people actually want to chat to you about the brand, and you get to meet customers and actually have time for them to give you feedback, talk about new products, talk about things that they're excited about, and you sort of get a better feel for the culture at a smaller level rather than sort of the bigger brands. There's just a lot more interesting things going on because there's a lot more smaller sort of stores and creators. So yeah, it's a much more sort of interesting event on a much smaller scale normally, but yeah.
Yeah, we need to support our local brands because we need to support our own brands. Thank you.
Okay, hey bro, why do you think local sneaker events are better than international sneaker events like SneakerCon?
I've been to SneakerCon and I've been to the TKS events. The SneakerCon events are cool, there's a lot of people there, but it's just real hype-beasty. It's just check out the stuff, look how much I'm flexing. It's a bit more community based, you meet more genuine collectors, people that you're probably going to see again at other events and hang out with and have real conversations about the shoes and that sort of thing, and it's not just, having the most expensive, the most limited pieces. So yeah, I like the vibe of the local stuff a lot.
Because it's community. When you get here, it's like family. You connect with your friends, you see people that you talk to online, you meet face to face. It's what we build and we all try to look after each other. So with communities drawing events, it's for the community, it's for the culture. We're not about the money. That's basically it.
I feel like events like the Kickz stand are more family orientated rather than a big event. You don't really see so many friendly faces and such. But I mean, no hate to the other groups either, but I feel like it's a lot more friendly. Everyone knows each other, everyone's just kicking. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm not saying anything.
So, hey Jay, so why do you think local events are better than international sneaker events like SneakerCon?
I think the reason for that, I think the local events are, to me, I think they're a lot better because I think the support that we get from the actual local community here in Australia. And another reason is that a lot of the brands that actually support us are local brands. So I think that our events is, better supported within the local community because of a lot of the people here support each other. Because Australia itself, the sneaker and streetwear community is not that big compared to other countries. So I guess a lot of people in different areas in Australia know each other and they support each other of what they do. And I think that's the advantage of actually supporting local events than international events. And they end up becoming an actual, you know, it's a better, more better event and closer event kind of thing.
Yo, what's up guys? So thanks once again for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got a little bit of an insight on what happens at the the kickstand. It's more than just sneakers events, especially here in Melbourne. I really wish it wasn't raining because even though it was a good turnout, it could have been even better, I reckon, if it wasn't raining so hard. But still, it was really good to see everyone happening, especially all the performers, a lot of the sneaker groups and other vendors. It was always really good to see the community come out and show their love in force and in numbers. So I'm really actually happy about the turnout today. I hope you did. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on these kind of events. And if you actually did come, if you did say hi and stuff, thank you so much. I really appreciate all the love that you guys show to me and the other YouTubers around, because we do try very hard to actually produce these content for you guys. So thanks once again for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
This way, everyone do it. Next vlog, this vlog, my vlog.
Wind it up. Oh! You left the shoe, bro. Lucky kickstand, eh? Just heat the shoes around here.
150!